Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this Thorn Beta 5 35 watt low pressure sodium street light. Now you can see where I got this in the description in the bottom of the video because there's a big story on how I actually got this light, and it's quite interesting. Now you may not know that Thorn Beta 5 street lights were actually produced for the North American market in the 1980s. Now these are mainly used all over the UK. Anyway, you can see on it that it looks quite similar, but there are some differences once we get into detail and open it up. Now you can see it has a yellowed plastic lens because this thing has been out of service for as long as I can remember, and a clip on the side, and I think this is supposed to be a plastic clip, but anyway, on the top here it's all metal. On the top here we have the photocell, and we have the Thorn Beta 5 brand sticker. So we can just zoom in on that. There you go, Thorn Beta 5, and it is incredibly faded. So we can zoom out now, and this piece right here is actually where the arm goes. Now, the arm that came with it is this thing right here. And I can only use that arm with this street light because there are two Allen bolts on this arm right here that hold on to this smaller piece. So I can only use that arm if I ever wanted to mount this thing. So let's open it up so you can see what's inside. It just unlatches like this, and it comes off. Now you can see I don't have a light bulb for it, and for whatever reason this thing didn't come with a light bulb. So I have ordered one off of Amazon, and it is scheduled to arrive within like 2 or 3 days. So there will be a startup video coming out in 2 or 3 days. So you can see it has the light bulb support right here, and it is seemed to have come loose. So we can just tighten that back on. We have the two screws that are holding in the ballast inside, and it is a big F-can ballast inside. It's one big block. And we also have the porcelain BY22D bayonet socket. Now, on the top here, if we just do this, you can see this screw that opens up the whole fixture, and this is actually hinged right here, which is quite handy. So I will open it up right now. So there we go, I unscrewed it. Now we can just open it up, and it is a creaky hinge, and we can see a ton of rust inside and nothing that much exciting actually. We see the huge General Electric F-can ballast, and the General Electric sticker that was on here actually fell off because of rust, and it was in the fixture when I actually got it. It was just lying in there, and I don't know where I put the exact sticker, but it was made by GE, and it is quite heavy. Now I kind of like how it is a linear ballast, if you will call it that. So if this thing ever fails, I can always just take it out and put in a fluorescent ballast using the same bolts. So you can see the back of the photocell NEMA socket, and we have these wires hooked up, and that's pretty much it for the inside. I was trying to get this part off right here, but I was stuck with this Allen bolt wouldn't come out, and I kind of broke it, so I just took off this part. Now you can see some character inside, and I'm going to paint over that rust since I don't really like it. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this street light, and I'm going to be posting a video in 3 days, as I said, of this street light turning on. So yeah, that was my Thorn Beta 5 35 watt low pressure sodium street light. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks so much for watching.